Are you drowning in tax burden and don't know what to do? Well, bankruptcy might be an option for you, but it's important to understand that not all taxes can be eliminated through bankruptcy. The bankruptcy experts at Tax Relief ASAP can help you examine your case and determine if your tax burden can be eliminated. While it's not a simple process, filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy can potentially eliminate some of your tax burden. But there are certain conditions that must be met to wipe out or discharge your tax burden through Chapter 7 bankruptcy. First, the debt must be federal or state income tax burden. Other taxes, such as fraud penalties or payroll taxes, cannot be eliminated through bankruptcy. This means that the burden must be a regular tax payment that you owe to either the state of Wisconsin or the federal government. Second, you cannot have willfully evaded paying your taxes or filed a fraudulent return. Bankruptcy will not help in these circumstances. Your actions must have been lawful. Third, your tax burden must be at least 3 years old, and the original tax return must have been due at least 3 years prior to filing for bankruptcy. Fourth, you must have filed a tax return at least 2 years before filing for bankruptcy. This means that to eliminate a tax burden, a return for that debt must have been filed. If you filed late, you may not be able to eliminate the tax burden. Fifth, and finally, the tax burden must have been assessed by the IRS 240 or more days before filing for bankruptcy, or must not have been assessed yet. This is called the 240-day rule. If the IRS suspended collection efforts due to a compromise or previous filing, this deadline may be extended. If you're struggling with tax burden and wondering if bankruptcy could be an option for you, contact Tax Relief ASAP now at 800-225-6860.